Yes.
Can I have a chocolate?
A chocolate.
I think.
Oh, there's chocolate up here?
I think.
On the side.
All right, Deputy Mejia, is he in any way related to you? Do we need to do an ancestry.com? All right, we'll clear that up before we go any further. All right. So we're gonna reset that. How old are you? 27?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we're gonna reset it for discovery for 30 days, and then when we come back, state you need to prepare to tender an offer.
As we tender, I just advise council to drop off on your speed drive. I'll have all discovery approved for us.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, 30 days?
March 5th.
All right, we'll be back on March 5th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, Angela Ball. Come up, please. All right, on this case, where are we on discovery? All right, how old are you?
37.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. If you'll give me a plea deadline date in 2 weeks, please. All right, February 19th is going to be your plea deadline date. So on that date, you need to let me know whether or not you've reached an agreement with the state. If you have not, your next court date will be a jury trial date. Do you understand? Sobs?
You still have that picture?
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
And let me see if Judge Stahl has emailed me back.
Judge actually did better than that.
Yes.
I've got someone here from the Esperanza Court.
Oh, awesome.
Madeline's caseworker, and she tells me that she can do an evaluation right now. If you
Oh, yes.
give permission to talk to her.
I love Esperanza Court. And I don't think they're doing that just because I was an attorney in that court previously. I think they're doing it because that's how Esperanza Court rolls.
They're good like
All
that.
right.
So said they'll take about 20 minutes and she'll have
Okay.
that
All right.
evaluation.
Let's do it. All right. Thank you. Who's the attorney? Randy Gallegos?
Here, Your Honor.
Okay. Come forward. Odyssey is moving slow today. All right. So on this case, where are we on discovery?
To be defense counsel informed me we're looking for or missing surveillance from the bar. So as soon as I finish document videos, I'm gonna get in there and request that.
So that's the only thing that's missing?
I think so. We have looked over everything. This case was from 2022. The file has been padded over time.
Okay.
Before filing, we recently became aware of the case. It was filed. My client had turned himself in, and this is our first setting after that turn in.
All right. So, I don't like old cases on the docket, but it's not anyone's fault here that this case is old, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. As of right
So-
now, it appears that way.
It was just that it was filed, I guess, at a different time or something?
I think it's a significant part of it was the medical bills were coming in about what treatment was being done. And that became a part of why it was delayed a little bit.
Okay. And do you have all the medical information?
It appears that we do, but we don't have something from that night, which is that surveillance video, which we asked the state for.
All right. And how long do you think that'll take?
Probably a matter of 2 weeks.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you'll recall this in 45 days.
Excuse me.
That's okay. 45 days. And that's for discovery. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Absolutely, yes, sir.
Okay.
March 23rd.
All right, so we'll be back March 23rd.
Yes, Your Honor.
Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring it to you.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm sorry, who are you ready on?
Sobs, daily sobs.
Yes.
Natalie finished the evaluation.
All right, so are they gonna, how much time to know whether or not they're gonna accept her?
She says, off the record, she definitely qualifies, but they don't have the staffing on it until next week.
Okay. All right. Let me speak to her.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I was gonna bring her up. I think their staffings are on Thursdays.
All right. Oh, Miss Saab, if you come up, because this is about you. Thank you for coming over so quickly. But once I saw her criminal history, I was thinking,
Yeah.
you know, this would be a good program for her. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and grant her application, but I'm going to have her remain in custody
Yes.
until a transfer or an evaluation is completed with Esperanza Court.
Yes.
And then if for some reason you all don't accept her, I'll figure out another placement. Okay?
The judge is granting access to a specialty court, Esperanza Court, but keeping the defendant in custody until transfer. That's not punishment, that's risk management. Specialty courts are treatment-heavy and resource-limited, so acceptance isn't automatic.
Oh, thank you. I'm holding you to that. Thank you so much for coming over so quickly. I really appreciate that. All right, thank you. All right, so you have options, right? And I want you to discuss it with your attorney before we go on the record. I'll grant your application, but you're going to be referred to Esperanza Court. If Esperanza Court doesn't accept you, then I'm going to have you remain in custody for felony drug court. And I know they have a dual diagnosis program there as well. Or if you want, I can find you guilty and I'll sentence you to do your time at the state jail facility. And according to your plea bargain agreement, they're asking for a cap of 12 months. I'll give her 10 months at the state jail facility.
Let's
So if
step
y'all
back.
discuss and let me know.
Would like to try the Esperanza Court.
All right, let's bring her up. All right, we're back on the record in 2025 CR 013374, State versus Adelia Sobbs. Can I have parties re-announced for the record?
David Rodriguez for the defendant.
All right, and you're Ms. Sobbs?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Sobbs, you had a chance to confer with Esperanza Court. My understanding, Defense Esperanza Court was able to interview her and they think that she will be eligible for the program?
Correct, Judge.
All right. And Ms. Sobbs, you want to be considered for the Esperanza Court?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, probation. This is what the court will order. As previously stated, the court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 12 months in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 2 years. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. The defendant is to remain in custody until transfer to Esperanza Court. And there's to be a referral to Esperanza Court. If not accepted into Esperanza Court, then there will be a referral to felony drug court. There's to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. Probation, is there anything else?
Meaning that's probated, right?
I'm sorry?
Meaning that 1,500 fine is.
I'm sorry, you're so right. Thank you. Yes, that will be probated.
Nothing else. Judge.
And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. That may change once you've been in the program for a while. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. That is a good program, but it's a hard program. Once they accept you into that program, I will no longer be seeing you.
That graduation line, that's not just encouragement, that's accountability. Once someone enters a specialty court, the original judge steps back and the program takes over. It's a handoff from punishment-based justice to behavior-based supervision.
They will be in charge of the conditions, and the conditions I've set for you, they may want to change those. They're allowed to do so. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next time I see you, hopefully it will be for you to come in, say, I'm doing great. And during your graduation, if I'm here, I will come to your graduation.
Hey.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank
You're welcome. Thank you.
I'm not driving.
Okay. All right, are you here for Albert Santana?
No, actually, Victoria's there to do that one, Judge. I was here for the next one with Abe Garza on Mr. Cruz Garcia.
All right, could I see, you say Bruce Garcia?
No, Christian Garcia. Abe Garza was going to be there for the person who's in custody that were requesting a bench warrant.
Ah. Oh. So,
This is the one that was a juvenile judge, and I'm not sure exactly where he's at, but Abe can fill you in on all of that.
all right, do you know where he is?
Judge, we just had a hearing January 7th,
Mhm.
where he got sent to TDC. He got transferred
Oh,
from
so,
juvenile
so he's actually in TDC.
somewhere, yes.
All right, so he's telling me he's in TDC, so if anybody does the Texas offender inmate,
Yes, we can find him. Yes.
Well, he got transferred from TJJD.
Oh, okay, okay.
He was in TJJD, but
And then.
we had a hearing on the 7th. And the judge there sent him to
Okay.
TDC
all right, so now we know where he is. So,
somewhere. in TDC.
defense, if you want to bench warrant him,
I'll amend my motion. I've already filed one, but I'll file another one now that I can figure out exactly, I can tell you exactly where he's at once I check.
okay.
And then I just need to get a date from Norma. Now there's gonna be another issue while Abe is already here, Judge. I think he's appealing his conviction, so I don't know whether he's gonna let him testify. That's a whole different question. Or maybe that's for another day. I don't know.
I mean, you can testify, I guess, I don't know,
Oh, well,
to those.
and I'm sure
I think-
you'll be available to represent him
Yes.
as a witness. So that problem is solved.
All right.
Okay.
I just filed notice of appeal, but I'm gonna get off the appeal. I don't know.
All right, so we'll be back here on February 17th. That's when we're set. And it's set for jury trial date and plea deadline date, but on that date, we all know that what we're going to find out is where we are in this bench warrant process.
Right.
And again, Judge, this is also a discovery case where we're fighting about discovery. So we can talk about both things, I guess, on the 17th.
Okay,
Fighting like Mr. Galloway about.
now you're not fighting with Megan.
I'm negotiating.
Okay.
Megan.
Just with me additional time. I'm assuming Ray's gonna need time to talk with the juvenile in the presence of Mr. Garza, just with request to see if they.
I think we would both be interested to know what he might say and answer to the relevant questions. Yes.
All right, so then, Norma, it's set on the docket as a jury trial date and a plea deadline date, but we know that that's probably not going to happen because he has to locate him and then it takes a while for the bench warrant. So we will still be here on the 17th. My mind is a steel trap, so I know what's going on. So it's just to see about
Or-
obtaining the witness here and also any other records that may be in existence. And thank you for not driving.
Thank you, Judge. And
Why is
Victoria will be
everything
there in a
speeding
second.
behind
There she is.
Background moving, right?
All right,
May I be excused, Your Honor?
you are excused. He pulled over. He is not driving.
We'll see you guys later.
All right.
Thanks,
thank-
Judge.
That was
Bye.
fast. Thank you, Abe. I'm sorry.
All right, and then you have Albert Santana?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, come forward. Oh, you're on this side, yeah.
What was the ruling, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
Oh, on that one, Abe informed him that the witness that he is seeking is actually now been transferred to TDC.
I looked him up, couldn't find him.
That's what Abe is saying, so.
Takes like Abe would.
Oh, he just left. All righty. So let me put this in here. But why is this, somebody explain to me, why is this case a 2018 case?
Your Honor, there was an FTA early on and defendant lacked means to post the bond until now, recently. We just posted last week.
All right, so this is really a first setting for this court. All right, so where are we on discovery?
Your Honor, we are pinning down the co-ban with the alleged traffic violation. It does seem to exist. We're just not sure if it reflects it. State has made an offer. We have turned in our discovery acknowledgement.
Okay,
So what, at this point, what exists, exists.
okay. All right, sir, how old are you?
26.
26? All right, Norma, set this for a plea deadline date in 3 weeks, please.
Albert Santana. 226?
All right, we will see you back on February 26th.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused for now?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Oh. Just meet me outside, so send video.
Derek Lopez. Good morning.
How are you?
All right, how's it going?
Getting better. Thank goodness.
Yeah.
Sorry about the way I'm dressed.
Oh, no, here's the thing. What, are there shorts or something?
No, usually I'm just there though.
No, let me just tell you, I tell people, just don't come wearing shorts. Don't come wearing tank tops. And you're okay. But thank you very much. Okay. There was, last time we were here, there was an unindicted case with
There
outstanding.
still is.
And it's still,
Yes.
what are we missing from that?
There's some surveillance video from Plato's closet. But I've talked to the state and they, I think we're close. So we can get just maybe another 30-day setting that we'll have it resolved.
Okay. And is it a video or something?
Yes.
Okay.
It was an at-large case we didn't know about. And while, since that's between that setting and this setting, he's turned himself in and made bond on that at-large case since it was filed.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset for a plea deadline date.
Okay.
March 5th. All right, we'll see you back on March 5th.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. ma'am.
You're welcome.
Have you signed something? Have a seat. Okay.
Oh.
March 5th date, but before then, I'm gonna decide whether, I think I have to file it, but I'm hoping I don't have to.
All right, Mr. Sosa, if you'll come down, please. Oh, just come here, please. Hello. All right, Mr. Sosa, we're going to bring you back on March 5th.
Okay.
So that your attorney will have more time to speak with you and review things with you.
Okay.
And if he wants you to be brought back earlier, he'll let us know and we'll put you on the docket earlier, okay?
All right.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll talk.
Oh, all right. Where do I go?
So
Oh,
how
just-
much that's where you were at?
Oh,
You want to decide something normal?
Judge, whenever you're ready.
Did you have a question?
It's in regards to the next one that's on.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Mr. Villapando, we have an agreement and it involves taking some action in County Court 13.
All right,
And
what
then-
page is he on?
Villapando.
All right, so what are you saying on this?
So the offer is to go resolve the matter in county court, and then we may get we will get a dismissal up here, so we could.
All right, do you have a date for the 13th?
County Court 13 is not open today for business, so I'm trying to get on their calendar next week. So if we could reset this for 2 weeks or so, I think.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. Mr. Robert Villapando, we're going to recall your case in 2 weeks. And my understanding, that will resolve this case. All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 2-week reset.
18th would be better.
Oh, no, let's just,
We're gonna get it.
we'll just put it on the 19th, and then if things are done, they'll let me know.
Great.
Who's here on Gabriel Pazana?
We're present and we have a place.
All right, if you'll come down, what page is he on? Thank you. And is there an application?
No, there is not, Judge.
All right, probation, there's no application. Court is calling 2025 CR 013303, State versus Gabriel Pizzana. Can I have parties announced?
Brandon Brett of the state.
Roger Pettis, for Mr. Pisana.
And are you Mr. Pizzana?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Pizzana, Mr. Pizzana, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Judge.
Mr. Pizzana, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 2, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Pizzana, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 13 months in the state jail facility. There's a $2,000 fine, no applications. The state will take in consideration 2025 PF 42866. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State,
It is, Judge.
did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it
Yes, ma'am.
and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty, Your Honor.
State any evidence?
Judge, we have to take to number 1 and all of its attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
State, you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court will review the same. Court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
He recognizes the error and he's looking forward to getting this resolved as soon as possible.
All right, court will sentence you to 13 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine, time and money to run concurrent. The court will request the therapeutic community. It doesn't increase the time that you're in custody, but it could help you with any sobriety issues you may have. Court will take in consideration 2025 PF 42866. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
He'll get the credit for time served.
Yes. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of what that is, you need to speak to an attorney.
The judge isn't lecturing, she's warning. At 40, with repeated substance cases, the margin for error is gone. And when she says, do it for someone you love, that's the bench acknowledging something the law can't force. Change only sticks when it's personal. Dark humor about chocolate aside, this is a human moment inside a very unforgiving system.
All right, we can go off the record. Please change your life, because otherwise you're gonna end up in prison, right?
I mean, I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
Well, I mean, how old are you?
40, Honor.
All right, so you got to get there quickly, because otherwise you're gonna end up in prison or end up in somebody's jail, or last time you used drugs may be the last time you use. And if you don't want to do it for yourself, do it for somebody you say you
I
love.
mean, no, I mean, yeah, I'm getting there. I take full accountability. That's why I play guilty. I'm not trying to sugarcoat anything. You know, I've been messing up for a long time. And I'm getting there. I was hard-headed for a long time. I had a lot of hate. Like for neighborhood, I come from the lean courts, you know. Neighborhood I grew up in was a hard to shape. I've had my own business before, you know. And I know how to do right.
All right, so you're gonna have to do that, right? Because otherwise, you know, when you're released, if you can't find a place that can help you maintain your sobriety, if I'm still here, come back here, I'll pick up the phone, call somebody to help you out, okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
can I have a chocolate?
A chocolate.
I think.
Oh, there's chocolate up here?
I think.
On the
No,
side.
that's Dollar Tree. No, those are dog treats. And you know what? I'm not allowed to give inmates anything. When an inmate wants something, they need to ask the deputy.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Lopez. Okay.
Open.
All right, what is happening with this case?
Judge, my client is requesting a contested hearing on the MTR.
All right, could I see the MTR?
What's the name again?
It's Robert Lopez. Oh, thank you. So we have the new case and the contested. All right, are you all ready to proceed on the contested today? Thank you. I'm sorry?
We haven't gotten in touch with the victim about her today. I was just informed if it could be contested, so.
Okay. All right, what we can do, we'll recall it in 14 days. All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 14-day reset. It's gonna be a contested hearing.
February 19th.
All right, we'll see you back on February 19th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Have a good week.
Oh, thank you. You too. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 009530, State versus Maria Cisneros. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Marshall D. White from Miss Maria Cisneros, the defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Miss Cisneros?
Yes, ma'am.
You entered a plea of no contest to count 2. According to your plea bargaining agreement, punishment was to be assessed at a cap of 6 years in the prison. There's $1,000 fine. And at that time, the state was opposed to your application, and there's to be restitution of $180 to DPS. According to both state and the defense, the state is asking that the plea bargain agreement to be amended for the state to remain silent. Are you aware of that?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. Do you have any objections to the state changing the plea bargain agreement to silent?
No.
And defense, you've had a chance to discuss that amendment with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
And do you have any objections to the change of the agreement?
No, I do not.
All right. And then states you may be excused. In this case, there is the PSI and TAP evaluation. Counsel, have you a chance to review that?
Very thoroughly, Judge, and we do have some comments we would like to make.
All right, any corrections?
Yeah, corrections or
Objections?
yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Page 6, Judge,
Mhm.
there's a clear and obvious mistake with respect. At the top of page 6, it says, how many shots of beers do you have in one setting? It says 18 beers.
Mhm.
That's a mistake. I mean, you know, Mrs. Cisneros has informed me she hasn't, had a drink in
15 years.
15 years.
Okay.
So that's a clear and obvious mistake. And then there was another mistake, and it's almost immediately contradictory almost, but on page 5, Mrs. Cisneros has a high school diploma and she has some college, but if you drop the line below there, it says San Diego Quick Reading Assessment Results 11th grade. Mrs. Cisneros informs me that she's never taken that assessment. Okay, you know, so I don't know with respect to that, where that came from. So
Okay.
those are two things we noticed in the PSI. And you know, and when the court gives us the opportunity, I'd like to speak on her behalf.
Okay. All right. Ms. Cisneros. Why do you think you'll be successful on probation?
Because I'm gonna be focused on taking care of my mom
Mhm.
and my brother and my grandkids.
Mhm.
Mainly my mom is the one that needs help right now because she's 91 and she has Alzheimer's.
Mhm.
And I have brothers. I have 4 brothers and a sister, and my brothers are all working. My sister's in hospice.
So let me ask you this. What changes have you made in your life since 2024 when this case?
I have since moved. I moved to my mom's house and I'm helping her.
You're not receiving any type of payment for helping me,
No,
are you?
no,
All right.
not
because-
my mom.
All right, because I will tell you, in this court, I don't allow people who are on probation here to be home health care providers or to work in fields involving children. And I just do that to make sure that community is protected.
Yes, no, ma'am,
There are some exceptions to that rule, but
no,
okay.
that would be wrong.
Yeah.
To me, that would be wrong.
So are you employed?
Oh, yes, I do.
What do you do?
I work for Excellence Painting and I'm an office manager.
Okay,
I worked 20 hours a week,
okay.
so I could have enough time to tend to my mom.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's $1,000 fine that will be probated. There should be proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And if you're drug tested today, what will the results be?
They would be negative.
All right. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. There's to be a $200, 200 community service restitution hours. Since you're involved with your grandchildren, I'm going to order parenting classes. Once the parenting classes are completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Probation. Do you still want to do supportive outpatient treatment, or would you prefer sober support meetings 1 time per week? All right, so that's AANA meetings. You're to do those 1 time per week. And they're located all over the city. All right, so there's to be sober support meetings 1 time per week until further notice. And there is restitution to the Texas Department of Public Safety. And that's for testing. And that is in the amount of $180.
Do I pay it today?
Probation will let you know when that needs to be paid.
Okay.
Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need in order to be successful?
No, I just need to make sure.
Oh, probation is going to go over conditions for
Okay.
you. Yes.
Judge, real quickly, but you mooted the need for me to speak on her behalf for the most part.
Mhm.
But I just spoke with Ms. Galloway and she's not opposed. I am court appointed in this particular case
Mhm.
to help alleviate some of the financial burden Ms. Cisneros is going to have while she's on probation. If the court could consider probating some or all of the fine, $1,000 fine.
Oh, I'm probating the $1,000 fine.
Okay, well, I'm sorry, maybe I missed you saying
No,
that.
no problem.
Okay, thank you.
I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, in this court, yes?
I did not hear in the beginning whether or not you said count one and count two.
Oh, I'm sorry, she pled to count 3.
It's count
Count 2?
2, Judge.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's count 2. Can you give me that cause number again?
Yes, Judge. Oh my gosh, I thought it was on the plea bargain page. It's not. I'm sorry. There you go. She got it.
All right.